Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy eXp Realty marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. To start deploying eXp Realty marketing, you need to define your target audience. Identify the demographics and interests of potential clients. Conduct market research to understand trends and competitor strategies. Create a comprehensive marketing plan that outlines your goals. Choose the appropriate marketing channels that align with your audience. Consider using social media, email campaigns, and online ads. Next, develop high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Produce engaging videos about real estate tips and market insights. Write blog posts that provide valuable information and updates. Design eye-catching graphics and promotional materials. Now, set up your social media profiles if you haven't already. Optimize them with professional images and relevant information. Start posting content consistently to build your online presence. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts regularly. Use analytics tools to track engagement and conversion rates. Adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. Collaborate with other agents and local businesses for cross-promotion. Host virtual events or webinars to showcase your expertise. Network within community groups to expand your reach. Consider creating paid advertisements to boost visibility. Always ensure your branding is consistent across all platforms. Offer valuable resources such as ebooks or market reports in exchange for contact information. Implement a follow-up system to nurture leads. Create a newsletter to maintain communication with your audience. Finally, continuously educate yourself on new marketing trends. Stay adaptable and ready to evolve your strategies as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.